Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamala. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll be creating this glittery pink makeup look for upcoming Ganesh Chaturthi. It's just in 2 days. I really wanted to achieve a look for this Ganesh Chaturthi, and you know guys, I'm a big fan of pink and yellow. I really start this festive season with this traditional my favorite colors, so I came up with this look. But in this tutorial I have put some glitters on my eyes, as you can see. So very first time I tried the glittery thing. I really like this glitter, guys. Without glitter also you can go with this look. I have a show how you can achieve that also. So if you wanna know how I achieve this makeup look, do continue watching. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and do follow me on my Instagram to see my full outfit look. So now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm gonna start off with the moisturizer. For the moisturizer, I'll be using the Nutriderm Vitamin E moisturizing lotion. So I'm gonna massage gently on my face. So for the lips, I'll be using the I Heart Revolution Mango Smoothie Lip Balm. So make sure you apply a good lip balm before starting makeup, so that it will moisturize when you apply your lipstick. So next we'll be moving on to the primer. For the primer, I'll be using the Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. So I'm gonna leave all the products link in the description box, so please do check that out. So I'm gonna take quite that much amount. I'm just going to warm up the primer a little bit, and then I'm going to apply all over my face, mostly on my pores area. So next we'll be moving on to the foundation. For the foundation, I'll be using the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. So you know guys how much I love this foundation. One of the really best drugstore foundation for oily skin girls. So it's a full coverage foundation and gives that really good flawless finish throughout the day. So I'm in the shade W320 Warm Caramel. So I'm gonna take my White Sheet Beauty Blender to blend out this foundation. So you can use brush also. So whichever is comfortable for you, you can go with that. So I'm gonna take a little bit more foundation to cover out my scars. So if you don't have any scars, you can just go with the one layer of foundation. That is more than enough. So foundation is done. Next we'll be moving on to the concealer. For the concealer, I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 45 Corn Panna and 40 Brave. So first I'll be using the shade 45 Corn Panna to cover up my scars and to hide my blemishes. So I'm gonna first apply on my under eyes, tip of my nose, and usually wherever I apply my concealer, around my mouth, so just to cover the hyperpigmentation. So in my last video I have done the full first impressions of the sugar products. So if you wanna know, I'm gonna leave the link here. You can just check it out for my reviews. So I'm gonna blend it again with my White Sheet Beauty Blender. So I'm gonna apply a little bit on my eyelids as well, just to prime my eyelids for the eyeshadow. So you can use it as primer as well, eye primer. But I'm okay with my concealer, so I'm gonna do that. So now I'm gonna use the shade 40 Brave just to highlight my face. So I'm gonna take a very tiny amount this time. So I'm not just covering it, I'm just highlighting. So again I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. So I'm just blending. As you can see, it gives a really good highlighting effect. So before settling the concealer into fine lines, I'm gonna set my face with the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Banana Baking Loose Powder. So you can use any loose powder you have. This is something I really like, so I'm using this one. So this is the in shade Banana. I'm gonna just take it in my beauty blender like that. I'm gonna set my concealer This one smells really great, you know, guys. So if you have an extremely oily skin, you can go ahead and set your face with the loose powder itself. So I don't have that much oily skin, so I'll be using my compact powder to set my entire face. So in that way we get a little bit more coverage also. To set my entire face, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way multi complexion powder. I'm in the shade Warm Sand. So it's really a nice compact powder to set my face. So I'm gonna just take it in my big powder brush and I'm gonna stamp like that. And whatever the loose powder excess is there, I'm just going to bring all over my face. So at this point, I'm gonna set my face with the I Heart Revolution Tasty Peach setting spray. So this is in the variant mattifying, so that it mattifies your skin throughout the day and it melts your powder into the skin and it gives that really flawless skin. So next we'll be moving on to the eye makeup. First I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. So you can use a pencil as well, but it's been a while I did not use this pomade, so I thought let me use. So this is a perfect shade for my hairs. So I'm gonna take my Faces Canada mascara and eyebrow brush to fill in my eyebrows. So this brush comes with the angle brush and a spoolie, so it's very easy to apply and brush your hairs. So I'm gonna just focus on the sparse area. So I have taken a good amount, and once you just dip it, you don't need to dip again. So you have to go with that itself, because so pigmented, you don't have to go again and again. So in front portion I'm gonna apply like my hair strokes. So now I'm gonna take my spoolie side. I'm just going to spread like that. So eyebrows is done. Next we'll be moving on to the eye makeup. For the eye makeup I'll be using the Revolution Tammy X Revolution. So this is the Tropical Twilight palette. So these are the colors inside. I'm gonna focus on some pinks and yellows. So mostly I'm focusing on my outfit colors. First I'm gonna take this purple pink. So I'm gonna place this shade on my entire eyelid, so as a base color. So as you can see, I'm gonna apply like a semicircle. So this would be a base color. So I have taken this kind of a flat dense brush to apply this color. So next I'm gonna take this shade which is next to that purple color. I'm gonna just take this color to blend out the edges of that purple. So I'm just placing and blending with the same brush. I'm using the Pro Arte PE23 brush for this. So as you can see, it just mixes with the purple and behaves as a pink. So most of orangey, pinky kind of a shade. So next we'll be going to take this yellow shade. So I'm going to take the same brush, which is really good for blending. So I'm gonna further blend with this yellow. So when you're working with the darker shades, go with the darker shade first, then go with the lighter shade so that it blends beautifully. So I'm gonna just take the previous orange kind of a shade. I'm gonna just intensify that. So because of the blending, the intensity will reduce. So just go with second time, then it will just pop nicely. So I'm just going forth and back just to intensify that. So now I'm gonna take the first brush and the first color which we used. I'm just intensifying that. So till now we have used only 3 colors to achieve this eye makeup. So it looks very hard, but it's very easy. Just you need to place on the right area, and just you need to blend effortlessly. So once you practice, it just becomes like nothing for you guys. So I'm gonna take the PAC long lasting kohl pencil to tightline my waterline. So I'm gonna just apply my kohl on my waterline, as you can see. So I'm gonna take that purple shade on my waterline to smoke out the edges. So I have taken a very tiny brush. It's the PAC 096 brush. So this time I'm gonna take the yellow shade just to smudge the purple also, just to give that hint of yellow. So at this point you can leave this eye makeup and you can go ahead and apply the eyeliner. So to create that extra jazz, I'm gonna apply some glitter. So I'll be taking this glitter which looks like a more pinky reddy kind of a shade. So when we apply on our eyelid, which may look pink, so I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna place entire lid. So I'm not taking any glue. So this gives a really good glitter thing. So you don't need glue at all. So it has a little bit of color. I'm just going to dust off with the stippling brush. So I'm just going to place the brush like that, so that if any fall out, the brush will take. So guys, as you can see, it looks very sparkly on my eyes. So if you don't like glitter, you can just keep it your eye makeup like very simple like this, very matte. If you want that really glittery thing, you can go ahead and apply that glitter. It looks really amazing. So next for the liner, I'm gonna take the K Beauty liquid liner in the shade Black Canvas. So I'm gonna create a very cute little liner. So next for the mascara, I'll be using the Colourpop volumizing mascara. So I'm gonna apply on my upper lashes and lower lashes. So mascara makes a huge difference to your eyes. So make sure you're applying a really good amount of mascara on your lashes. So don't forget to apply on your lower lashes. I'm just wiggling and applying that. So just to add some extra drama, I'm gonna add some lashes. For that, I'll be using the PAC M72 lashes. So I have applied already glue. I have used the PAC glue. So I'm gonna apply like that. So let me take the right side first. So just look down. So I'm just going to. So after applying the lashes, I'm gonna go with my liquid pen liner just to cover the lash band. So this time I like to go with the pen liner, just it's easy for me to focus on the band. So eyes are done. I will be moving on to the face makeup. I'm gonna just complete with the bronzer, blush and highlighter. So for the bronzer, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics Brilliance bronzer. So this is in the shade Bronze Baby. So this is what the shade looks like. It's a pretty good match for my skin tone. I'm gonna take my Vichy powder brush to do my bronzing. So I'm gonna apply a little bit on my forehead, on my hairline, so on my jawline as well. So I'm gonna take this kind of a blending brush just to contour my nose. I'm just going to apply and blend with the brush itself. So it's very easy to apply and blend together. So next I'm gonna take my recent favorite blush, is the Rimmel Maxi blush in the shade Renderous. Super pigmented blush. I'm gonna take a very tiny amount. I'm gonna focus on my cheekbones. I'm just going to stamp like that and then blend it with the brush. So I'm gonna take the Vichy blush to blend. So this is really a good brush to do that multiple job. I'm just going to do like that on my nose also, otherwise it looks very patchy kind of a thing. So next we'll be moving on to the highlighter. I'll be using the Makeup Obsession Mega Honey highlighter. I'm just going to apply on my highest points of cheekbones. I'm going to a little bit on my nose and also on my cupid's bow. So I'm going to take the same highlighter. I'm going to apply on my inner corners and brow bone. So I'm going to take my I Heart Evolution Avocado Brow Gel. This is to just set my eyebrows and remove any powdery thing. So I like to do at the last step. So as you can see, it just adds that color and gives that really bold thing. So for the lips, I'm gonna use these two combination. One is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie Lip Liner in the shade Heartbreaker Pink, and for the lipstick, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 120 Artist. So first, I'm gonna line my lips with the lip liner. So after lining the lips, I'm gonna apply the lipstick. So guys, I just did a loose curls off camera. I have already straightened my hair. Thought let me go with the free hairs today. So I'm gonna keep a bindi. So without a bindi, this look doesn't finish up at all. So for my jewels, I went with again Zivara Fashions. So this time I went with this kind of long necklace kind of a thing. So I'm gonna leave her handle, Instagram handle and website, so you can check that website, guys. I really like this jewelries and all. This is what it looks like if you couldn't see. So this is what it looks like. I really like this bells. This is what the earrings looks like in close. So for the bangles, I'm gonna go with these bangles. So this I bought it in my local store here in Jayanagar, Bangalore. I'm gonna wear that. So I was pretty in hurry, so I couldn't paint my nails. Excuse for that. So I really like this kind of bangles, thread bangles and metal bangles. So guys, this is the final makeup look. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below what is your opinion, and do let me know what kind of different makeup looks you want to see in this festive season. So many festivals is there online, so let me know which kind of looks you want me to create. So I'm gonna start working on it, guys. So thank you so much for watching throughout this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and do follow me on my Instagram page to see my full outfit look. So I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.